Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are exploring an amazing topic of Photoshop HDR toning for night photography. Load your night photo to enhance lights and shadows using HDR toning, then convert it into a smart object for non-destructive editing. Now go to the HDR toning to adjust exposure and details, increase strength to reveal hidden light textures, and also lower highlights to control bright lamps. Lift shadows to show dark areas, boost details for clarity, and also adjust gamma for atmospheric tone. Add vibrance to enrich night colors, lower saturation to keep colors realistic. Adjust exposure slightly for balance.